Hi everyone, a very good morning. How are you all doing? I am here today to do a live session with Karan. I'm just waiting for him to come live and we're going to work out together. And if you guys are ready, then I think you guys also should follow us, do it along with us. And uh, everybody knows him as the Netik, the good boy. And he's been a favorite to most of us. And today you're going to see the other side of him. So Karan is also a fitness enthusiast. He works out every day, doesn't stop him. So he's into yoga, he's into weight training, he's into different forms of fitness. But today I'm going to make him do a couple of animal flow exercises. So I think you all should follow us as well and do workout with us, because I'm not going to come live in the evening and I'm working out now with him. So how are you all doing? Hi everybody. Hi. You're waiting. I know you're waiting. Even I'm waiting for him. So how is it? How's your day going? Hello Neha. Hello Poonam. Hello Swaraj. And hello Zafran Ansari. I am doing good. Thank you. Hello Muskan. So Karan. Hi.
Hey, good
How
morning.
are
How are you?
you?
Good,
I'm
good.
doing
How's
good.
everybody?
I'm doing great. Just done with few of my other online sessions and now here with you.
Okay, that's
Yes.
great. That's great. Huh.
So are you done
So,
with your workout today or you're just
no,
waiting
I'm
for
not.
the
I'm not. Yes, so मैंने जानबूझ के आज कुछ किया नहीं because I was going to do a fitness session with you, and I'm looking forward to it. So, first of all, hi to all the fans who have joined in, and
yeah.
well, I'm all set. बाकी हमें अभिमानिका will guide us कि हमें क्या करना है और
You will not
मैं
need
क्या
any
करने वाला हूँ.
kind of weights or anything. People whoever is following us, guys, you don't
Yeah.
need any equipment. You just need a mat. And I don't know, I still can't call you Karan because your name as Naitik is registered in my head. So every time I see you, it's like Naitik. So the moment I posted this, everybody, oh, that's Naitik. I'm like,
Right.
okay. And even now, I was about to say Naitik, and I'm like, no, it's Karan.
But that's okay. I get
So
that a
how
lot,
has your
and I think it's
journey been?
fa-
Sorry.
well. Everything has been good. Yeah, I said that's been a part of my life. तो उसे अपने से दूर करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. So that is something that will go down uh, till I go to my grave. But otherwise, apart from this, everything is good. सब कुछ ठीक है. घर पे हैं, safe हैं, and जैसे कहा गया है वही rules follow करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हैं at all, and I hope ये पैंडेमिक से हम लोग जल्दी बाहर आ पाएँ बिकॉज़ लोगों की पेशेंस भी कम हो रही है एंड सब लोग अभी घर पे कर रहे हैं जो भी कर रहे हैं बट स्टिल आई थिंक थिंग्स आर जस्ट गेटिंग डिफिकल्ट फॉर एवरीवन.
Right, I know. And what I personally feel is आप वर्कआउट या मेडिटेशन या योगा समथिंग लाइक दिस कोई भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व हो जाओ तो इट विल एक्चुअली
राइट.
कीप यू मेक यू फील बेटर. तो
Correct. It does. It totally does. And I think that's what is very important as well. You have to keep yourself engaged and कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना चाहिए so that your mind is also refreshed. आपको कुछ देखना
प्रैक्टिस
है, आप टीवी देखिए, सॉन्ग सुनिए, किसी को डांस करना है, किसी को कुक करना है, do anything that you want to do. But just keep yourselves engaged. I think वही सबसे important चीज़ है अभी. एंड बिकॉज जितना आप खुश रहेंगे उतना बाहर की चीज़ों के बारे में आप नहीं सोचेंगे एंड जितना आप 24 घंटे अगर न्यूज़ देखने लग गए तो बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
Chalo, should we start? So we'll
Yes.
start with
Yeah.
warm up, फिर our workout exercises,
Sure.
and then a cool down.
Sure. Sure. Cool.
All right?
So I can keep hearing you, uh, but it'll be difficult for everyone else to hear what we are going to do. So
Okay.
scene wise is going to be okay.
If you guys can't hear us, just follow us.
Yeah.
Okay? Can you see me? Can you hear me now? Is it fine?
Yeah. I'll just take this camera a little back so that everybody can see it nicely.
Okay.
Okay. I think now it's
Done.
quite
So,
quite
a
okay.
couple of,
Right.
I
So
can
just a
hear
little
you.
bit of
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
10 of this. One,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And from
All
there,
right.
do your arm circles, rotations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side, other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your hand forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And
All right.
from so we go hip circle. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side.
Reverse.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now from there, legs wider. So we take 8 counts to go down. Alright? Feet hip width apart, a little wider. As in like a
Okay.
squat. So we go 8 counts and come up. Okay? We'll do 10 of that.
Okay.
5, 6,
Yeah.
7, and go. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up.
Okay.
Okay? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. Last one, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. And from here, legs a little more wide. The side, pulse. 10 times.
All right. So it is this. And oh, I can't see you. Wait.
Your hip. So basically, you're
Okay.
here.
Keep bending. Yeah.
Alright, so bend your knee, the other leg is straight, and 10. Pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to the other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from there, come back to the center. Try to place your hands in the center with your knees straight and forward, back. Your hands touching forward, go deep and come back. 1, in, 2, in, 3, only your hands. Try to keep your knees straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly, with your hands on the floor, bring your legs a little inside. Okay? But try staying here.
Like a
With your
squat.
elbows. Yeah. Almost like a deep squat. In the Indian potty style.
I can hardly see you.
So from here, try to push your knee.
Okay, like that.
Yeah. So basically, you'll be working on your hip flexor. All right? Last
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms on the floor. Legs straight. Feet together.
Okay.
Very slowly come up. Come up.
Okay.
Yeah, from here, I will show you some wrist exercises. So,
Okay.
because we'll be on our wrist, like on our hands.
Yeah.
So, you rotate. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other way around, 1, different direction now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now from here, so press forward, take your hands forward, turn in, press. So basically your wrists have to touch and open, turn, in. Yeah, exactly. So constantly keep both your palms connected. Yeah.
Hmm.
So you also work on your shoulder with this.
Okay.
7, 8, 9. How is Kavish?
Oh, he's good. He's eating his breakfast right now.
All right, that's it. Now from here, down, down, up.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last one from
Yeah.
here, you just press it against and release. So press, release. Press. So you'll feel the stretch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. So
Okay.
this was our warm up.
Nice.
And we'll start with few basic exercises and then continue into a little more intense. So we'll slowly, gradually
Okay.
increase the intensity of our workout.
Fine. Fine.
Okay?
Cool.
So our first one is going to be squat up and we go kick, kick.
Fine. Cool.
All right? 10 repetitions.
Yeah.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, kick, two. Other side. 2, kick, kick. 3, kick, kick. 4, kick, kick. 5, kick, kick. 6, kick, kick. 7, kick, kick. 8, kick, kick. 9, kick, kick. 10, kick, kick. And shake it up. The next one from here is going to be a plank. So can you see me? Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Yeah.
In, out, in, out. Okay?
Okay, I can
That's it.
hardly
We're
see your
not
legs,
touching.
but yeah. So it's
We're
without
not
touching the knees
touching.
down, so it's just one by one, right?
Yes. Alternate. Right leg,
I
left
can't.
leg, right out, left
Okay.
out. Right,
Your
left,
your signal is
right,
also breaking a little
left.
bit, so I can't see.
So basically, you're not touching your knee to the floor. So the
So
challenge is
alternate
to
legs
stay
coming in and
hold.
out because
Yes, yes,
yeah. I
right.
couldn't see it because the signal was going off.
I know
So let's see.
some network issue. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We'll do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. 8, back. 9, back. 10, back. And down. So that's more for your upper body and also your core.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's a very good exercise for your lower abs. So if you're really struggling, I see a lot of people struggle with the lower belly part.
Okay.
I guess mostly women, but then yes, you can definitely work on that. These exercises
Yeah.
help you. Okay,
Sure.
the next one is going to be on the elbows, and it's more like a jumping jack on the elbows. So do you want to
Okay.
just see one? I
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
just
Sure.
show
Sure.
it to you.
Okay.
So on the elbow, so you
Okay. Fine. Admanika, is it possible for you to just lower your camera a little bit down?
okay, sure. Let me just do that.
Yeah. Ha. Because we can't see the mat surface, you know.
Okay. Is it fine now? Much
Yeah.
is it better?
Yes. Yes. I think so. Yes. Yes. Perfect हो गया अभी.
है ना? So the same
Yeah.
thing if you want, we'll do a stepping out and in.
ठीक है.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Let's go.
Yeah. So let me just see it once how it is.
Down on the elbow.
Yeah.
Step,
ठीक है.
step, in, in. Step,
Okay. So we're just stepping
in.
alternatively. All right.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and in. 2, in. 3, in. 4, in. 5, in. 6, in. 7, in. Last one, 8, in. And come up.
All right.
Are you okay? Are you doing good? Good?
Yes. Yes. All good. All good.
So basically, this one you can make it a little more intense by jumping. That will add a little more intensity to your workout.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
And if we do this, the
Yes,
jumping
yes.
jack, it's the same thing, saying low. So we called it plank
All right.
jacks. Okay.
Correct.
The
So we have
next
to
one,
jump. Yeah.
yeah. So now this is going. The one that I'm doing is called the beast. So beast position. Just watch. I will keep giving you instructions. Just watch.
Sure, sure.
So here, first thing, we come from all fours. Your shoulders and wrists have to be in line, and your knees, they have to come in line with your navel.
Okay.
Okay? I'm a
Okay.
little behind, but my navel is here, so I'm going to step a little forward. Okay?
Fine.
So from here, you can tuck your toes, lift yourself up, knees off the floor. I walk forward, 2 steps, forward, back.
Okay.
So remember, naturally also when we walk, with our right hand, left leg that coordinates. So we never walk like a
Correct,
robot.
correct. Alternate. Yeah, yeah.
Even for this, it has to be alternate. Your right hand is going forward, your left has to go forward. So take
Correct.
1, 2, come back. 1, 2, come back. That's it.
ठीक
Okay?
है. Let's try. Yeah.
You can just come one side of the mat and let's go. Check your position and make sure you engage your core, squeeze your abdominal muscles.
Uh-huh.
Because if you don't, you'll start hurting your back.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7, knees off the floor and go. Forward, 1, come back. And 2, forward, come back. Finish with 10 repetitions. 3,
Okay. So is it? Oh,
back.
is there one, or is it like 1, 2, 3?
Yeah, see, going just in 2 steps. So basically, it is both walk, walk, and
Yeah.
come back, come back. So
ठीक है.
going and coming back is 1 count, 1 repetition.
Correct. Cool. Ready.
So only 2 steps forward, 2 steps back.
Right. ठीक है.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and come back. 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 7, back. 6, back. 7, back.
This is
8,
straight as
9, back. 10, back.
Okay.
Shake your hands, shake your legs. Are you doing okay?
Yes, yes.
All right. I love this workout because it is crazy. So if you have to put a timer for like 30 seconds, or you can to start off with,
Right.
go maximum. And after, if you have a long gyms में it's like you have huge space. Go from one corner to the other corner, walking. Keep crawling that way. You're dead. This is a killer workout, especially to build strength in your quads. So
Right, right. No, it's a nice
yeah,
workout. I don't think I've ever done something like this before. So it's good. It's good.
beast crawl. So we call it beast crawl. There's something
Beat.
called
Yeah,
beat battle. One session of animal flow, you'll actually feel the intensity of it. When you look at it, it looks easy, but staying on all fours is not easy at all.
yes, it is.
The
It is.
next
I
one
can
that
feel
we're
it
going to
already.
do a crab. Okay,
Hanji.
I'll show you the crab. Few
Okay,
instructions.
crab. Yeah.
So you sit here, your hands are behind, your palms not facing inside, facing out. Okay? Push your chest out, roll your shoulders back. So you're already keeping your spine plate activated, and your hips has to be in the center. So if this is your feet and hands, you have to adjust yourself to the center. Don't
Okay.
slouch, don't round your back. Up, look up, with the chin up. Okay? So
Okay.
from here, we're just going to go up and come down.
Okay.
Okay, the next would be a different variation of this, but this is the first one that we're going to do.
Fine. So let's try.
Yeah. So first, make sure you sit in the right position.
All right. The hands are
Your
supposed to be
hands
like
there.
that.
Your hips
The
have to
legs.
be in the center. Check
Uh-huh.
and sit in the center. Straight
Okay.
under, back straight,
Yep.
chest
Mm-hmm.
out,
Yep.
and now push yourself up, hip up a little bit,
Yeah.
and now slowly go up completely
Uh-huh.
and down. That's
Okay.
it. So when we push up, it's like a reverse plank.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. 5,
Okay.
6, 7, ready and go. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10, down. And relax. So you can just
Yeah.
knee rotations, knee rotation. Yeah. Up, wrist rotation. I don't know what am I talking. So it's supposed to be your wrist.
Yeah, yeah. You said knee rotations of it.
Okay. So
Yeah.
that is why I made you warm up your wrist also, because our entire weight is going to be here. You're going to feel a
Correct.
little pain
No,
here.
there is. I can feel the pressure here also. So yeah.
So the next variation in this is going to be the alternate toe taps in the same trap position. Same position. So you don't come up too much. You're in here. From here, you're trying to touch. You don't have to keep your knee straight. Touch.
Okay.
If you can't do that, you can just go. That's it.
Acha.
Okay?
Let's try.
Do you want to try once? Can I
Yeah.
see? Yeah.
So it's basically this. Yeah. So it's going to go off.
Right. So what I want you to do is, see, you will not get it in the first go. Every
Yeah.
time you come down, sit down. Okay? Sit down, slowly push yourself up, try touching. So,
Up
and very important
and then
is,
just do this and then come down.
yes. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's go. Position, crab position. Look out.
Yeah.
Here. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, and sit down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, sit down. 6, down. 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm okay. New exercises for the body also, no?
Yeah. And it's
Yeah.
also a challenge.
Yes. And once and
Today,
twice you do the same exercise, the body gets used to it, so it starts registering. So
right.
ये पहली बार ही हो रही है सारी. So yeah, it's different.
तो पहली बार आप जो भी करोगे, it's like a big, exam के time पे when you're not prepared and you're like a blank paper.
Yeah, yeah.
So I want to watch the next one also. Can you just
Okay.
come a little closer? Can you see me? Or
I can see you. I can see you.
this is going to be a last exercise, and उसके बाद we'll stretch.
Okay.
Okay? So from here, remember the beast crawl, right? The beast position.
Yeah.
From here, you push yourself back. Okay? Push yourself
Okay.
back. Lift थोड़ा आगे and take your right leg forward. जितना हो सके उतना.
Okay.
You can put your knee down.
ठीक है.
Other knee.
Okay.
And from there, slowly lift it up, come back. Okay?
Okay.
This is the easiest way to do it. If you want, you can stay here and start. You can sit from there, come. Drop your knee down, come.
ठीक है.
Okay?
All right.
Otherwise, this looks like this, Karan. Watch, 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 watch. So you're here.
Okay.
So, but for now, I don't want you to feel demotivated because that comes with practice.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
it does. It does. That'll be too much also to kind of, try for the first time.
yeah. So now I stay on your knee.
Yeah.
Stay on your knee. Piche. Yeah.
So it's this.
Once you come up,
Then you come up.
right leg up.
So when the leg comes, this goes up, right? The hand goes out.
Yeah, hand goes out.
Okay. So hand goes out, and then once the leg goes back, the hand would come back again.
Yes, exactly.
ठीक है. So can you show अगर leg पीछे जाता है तो hand फिर कैसे वैसे ही आ जाएगा? So from here, it goes this way.
Yeah.
हाँ. So from there only it straight away goes back to this, and then
Same.
it will be this, and then
Correct.
this.
Exactly.
Cool. चलो,
That's
let's
it.
do it. ठीक है.
Let's go. 5, 6, 7. So we are going to do alternate. We'll take it slowly.
ठीक है.
Now, ready?
Yeah.
5, 6, 7, and go. 1 and back. And 2, back. 3, back. 4, back. 5, back. 6, back. 7, back. Last one. 8 and back. Now stay there and forward, back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly come up. All good?
Yes.
So we're going to stretch. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And then we'll discuss.
Sure. Let's do that.
I want you to just go back to your mat. Straight. See, this is called flexing. This is very bonding. Okay. Hands to the shoulder.
Okay.
Yeah. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from there, I want you to slowly walk your palm forward to
Wow.
your mat.
That's going to be difficult for me. I have a little stiff back also. That might
Yeah.
be a little difficult.
So, there is a technique for this color, not that. All all you have to do is, even if you're here, try to keep pushing your chest out. So what
Correct.
all of us do is we go back, go forward, rounding our backs. But keep your arm here, push your chest out.
Yeah.
That's it. Just push your chest out. Stay there. That's it.
Yeah.
Keep it here. Body, push your body, chest out, chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it.
Okay.
And now slowly bring your leg together, shake. And right leg over your left and turn to the right. Switch, other side, left over your right. And from here, butterfly. And slowly, 8, you can come sit here, or you can come.
Like that, you mean to say?
Yes.
Okay.
So you stay there, let me turn to the side. What happens if
Oh.
you do this? This is what.
So you are okay. So you are on your toes actually, heels.
No, I'm completely on my foot.
Okay. So I'll be like this.
Yeah.
Yes, always. What have you brought now? Oh, you brought all this stuff? Why have you brought all this stuff? Hi, you want to say hi there?
Hi, Kavish. And this is Kavish. Hi, baby. How are you? Ali, I like your hair clip.
Yeah.
Projector sleeping.
Projector is sleeping now?
Projector is sleeping.
Okay.
I
So he
am
was-
into
So
cute.
Okay, I'm sweating very good. Oh, wait. So do you want to say hi to them?
Hi, Kavish.
Karan, meet Tavish.
Yeah, hi. Kavish, that is Kavish. Come here. You want to say hi to him? All right, come. I'm going to switch off this so that you can hear. Oh. Yeah, so Kavish has just run off to go.
How old is he? How old is he?
He's not even 3. He's going to be 3 in June. So he's still small. Acha, say okay. Yeah, it's
I
go run
can't see
now.
you.
Acha,
Tavish, Auntie can't see you.
Acha, can you see him? अच्छा इधर तो आओ एक बार जल्दी से. Now he's hiding. How are you, Tavish? Are you all okay? I keep looking at your videos with your mom.
Be a little louder.
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Good. I'm good. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
So Kavish तो
Bye.
भाग गया है.
Bye.
Bye. So Kavish has given his special appearance for the day. So,
Both Kavish and Tavish.
yeah, what a nice coincidence, Tavish and Kavish.
I know. Actually, I have Tavish ki class में ना there are kids who have named Tavish, Havish, Lavish. There was a Lavish.
That's like a lot of Avish, मतलब Tavish, Lavish, Tavish, सब कुछ ही हो
There
गया.
is Davish also. इसके principal का नाम है Davish.
That's good, really good.
So did you enjoy the workout session today?
Yes, it was very good, and really enjoyed, and बहुत ही अच्छा था, yeah. It was nice, and I think you are also doing a great work of your fitness stuff, and keep doing this, and keep reaching new heights of success with all your fitness and the good, transformations that you keep doing for people. So that's nice. And
So
thank you for the
glad.
opportunity.
Thank you so much for joining me today.
So
I really,
my pleasure.
See, now because it's lockdown, a lot of people are struggling because everybody's so used to going to the gym.
Yeah,
My
yeah,
own
yeah.
friends started cribbing कि हम लोग घर पे वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते, equipments नहीं है, weights नहीं है, barbells नहीं है, हम लोग कैसे करें, you know, all those. So I was like, you can still do.
Yeah,
So
online करो.
yeah,
Best ever.
I am actually doing a couple of online sessions, and then body weight training is something that not everybody can get it. It only comes with practice.
It does,
So
it does. But I'm
yeah,
very glad with the fact that दो तीन अच्छी चीजें भी हुई हैं लॉकडाउन की वजह से that people have started using digital space in a very different way and सही मायने में लोग यूज कर पा रहे हैं rather than just commenting on each other's posts. So it's nice and थोड़ा सा आपके लिए भी एक अलग जोन हो जाता है. Now you can work sitting at home also. So
I never
I'm not
did this
used to it.
before,
So
Karan. So this was like online trainings देती थी, but it used to be like आप call पे बात कर लो, give them some workout,
yeah,
check on their videos and all. But this, I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
well
You
that's
know,
good.
I don't know if you know this, मैं online ramp walk sessions भी conduct कर रही हूँ, and I'm like, wow.
Oh,
So
good, that's nice. And your dance sessions
yes,
also you're going to start now or what?
yes, I'm actually coming up with a belly dance choreography online session. It's like a beginner level, so
Good, so you
a
keep
lot of
doing
things
crazy stuff.
you have to keep, like you said, kuch na kuch karo, keep yourself busy. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, but that's great. That's really great. And keep yourself engaged like that. So that is very good.
Have you learned something new or any kind of skill that you always wanted to do during this lockdown?
Ah, I think mostly it's just a social media thing. So I've never come so many times live and बहुत सारे chats किए, बहुत fans के साथ interact किया. So this is something new that I picked up. Apart from that, तो घर की साफ सफाई, खाना बनाना या हेल्प करना और वो सब चीजें तो हम लोग करते ही थे
आप
पहले से.
खाना बना लेते हो? सच्ची?
Survivor cook हूँ. मतलब I can cook to kind of survive. I'm not like अभी सिर्फ एक चीज मुझे नहीं आती थी रोटी बनाना, वो मैंने बिग बॉस में सीखा था. Then चावल उबालना is not a big math. दाल या सब्जी बनाना भी कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है, थोड़े से मसाले डालने और चीजें ऐसे से कर
What
देता
is
हूँ.
the best cuisine that you have made till now? I mean, that you like for yourself.
I usually make good pizzas. I make good tikkis, bun tikkis kind of stuff. I make chaat papdi. तो अभी मैंने ये दो तीन चीजें डाली थी तो सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा और अच्छे भी बनते हैं. I make good sandwiches also. Like I have
Let
three
me
different
tell
kind of
you,
sandwiches.
everything is all junk, oily, इतना ज़्यादा oily stuff.
हाँ नहीं ऑयली नहीं बनाता मैं. So I try and cook it very healthy also. So as much as I cook also, so I think I do use some sprays or very little oil and it's very low on oil whatever I cook.
Okay,
So
that's
yeah,
nice.
pizzas of course you know जितना भी हो vegetables डाल के आप उतना कोशिश करते हो, चीज कम डालने की कोशिश करते हो. Burgers बनाए, टिक्की भी बनाई तो it's just potatoes and other things of course, but very less oil. And the other day I just made something off potatoes also. There are different things I make also. So I have a little क्या कहें उसको, थोड़ा सा सेंस है कि मैं एक ही चीज की कितनी वेरिएशन बना सकता हूँ, तो मैं वो करता रहता हूँ. वही आलू को टिक्की बना लिया, वही आलू की सब्जी बना ली, वही आलू की सैंडविचेस बना लिए लेकिन अलग तरीके से बनाए. So one is like a panto, so it's like a 3-layered bread sandwich.
You know, I also discovered once you do the aloo, उसका जो ऊपर वाला skin है ना, that's actually got more minerals than the actual aloo. So you need to wash it, soak it sometime.
Yeah.
But then you can make it like pakoras. उसके. But that's like a deep fry thing, but that is quite healthy also.
Yeah.
A lot of people do not know कि उसका skin is also very good.
But लोग बनाते हैं. A lot of people make it with the skin also. सब्जी में skin के साथ ही डालते हैं.
हाँ, yeah.
पर मैंने देखा भी है, खाया भी है. But वही आजकल थोड़ा डर ये लगता था कि you know सब्जी कैसे आती है, तो एटलीस्ट वो आप बॉईल करो, स्किन निकाल के खाओ. आजकल बिल्कुल सब कुछ जो चीजें आ रही हैं बहुत साफ हो गई हैं फॉर चेंज. सो एवरीथिंग लुक्स लाइक शक्ल ही बदल गई है. हमने कभी ऐसे वेजिटेबल्स देखे ही नहीं जिंदगी में जो अब देखने को मिलते हैं. सो ऐसे लगता ही नहीं कि ये वही वेजिटेबल्स है. So even foods, everything, air, water, everything has got just clear.
It's clear.
It's so
It's
amazing.
like amazing. It's amazing. I don't know, पता नहीं फिर कब life में you get to experience these things
Yeah,
in a way good. अच्छा है, you're spending time with family, you're learning something new.
yeah,
Or
yeah.
I'm sure because of your busy schedule, you might not get enough time to spend with Kavish also. So I
No,
think
yeah, but consciously I was trying to spend that much time with him also.
okay.
When he was born for the first year, I didn't work at all, so that I could
Oh,
spend with him. So I made sure that ये वक्त थोड़ा ज़रूरी होता है कि आप बच्चे के साथ हो, उसकी परवरिश में रोल प्ले करो. So I have no regrets now, even if I keep working for the rest of my life, that I didn't spend time with him. I spent time with him. I spent very quality time with him, and integral part of him growing up. He's almost going to be 3 years now, and mostly I have been with him a lot. So
that's very nice actually. Kids do need their parents while they're growing up, and and also I feel we also might miss out on those little things, Jesse, their first,
yeah,
step, their
stay
first walk,
correct.
yeah, whatever. But
I
that's
know.
really glad to know from you. And let me ask you some fitness related questions and then we'll sign off. Like few
Yeah, sure.
questions.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you always been into fitness or is it just that you have started, you know, like,
Um, I have been into fitness. I started working out and stuff when I was, I think, 19.
oh,
College जाता था. I used to come back and I used to have like a full-time college. So I used to leave home at about 7 a.m., come back by about 7:38 home. Then I would take my cycle and I would go to my gym. Then I would do a gym for an hour, come back. I remember, and here I used to have food, and then start doing my assignments for the day, and then that's how I used to work. And so वर्कआउट बहुत सालों से कर रहा हूँ. फिर ऑफ कोर्स रिश्ता के टाइम पे कभी कर पाया नहीं कर पाया, ऑन एंड ऑफ बहुत हो गया
yeah,
बिकॉज शूटिंग स्केड्यूल टाइमिंग्स यूज्ड टू बी वेरी erratic and used to really get exhausted, so it became very difficult. But हाँ, काफी regularly till the time I started Rishta, I was regularly kind of always doing something or the other. I was very fit. Then I think Rishta से आप कह लीजिए almost 8 साल तो I was working in Rishta, so on and off करता रहा, बहुत कम किया है actually workout. And then after that I started again. Then there have been
okay,
phases. So when Nisha, like when we were pregnant, so even I was just not working out. I think I put on weight like Nisha. So I was like, we both were like little fat and stuff, eating anything, sleeping, doing. तो हम लोग उस जोन में चले गए थे कि चलो जाने दो ना अभी जो भी है, तो अभी ऐश करो. So हम थोड़ा ऐसे हो गए थे. And then उसके बाद then we started working out both of us again, and थोड़ा सा I started losing weight, and then I had lost a lot also. अभी फिर थोड़ा बीच में ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है, but I try and keep up. And during the lockdown I've been trying to do as much as what I can do at home. I have a cross trainer at home, तो मैं at least वो कर
oh,
लेता हूँ 40-45 minutes a day. I just do that. अगर कुछ नहीं तो at least वो तो कर ही लेता हूँ.
glad to hear this. I mean, not everybody from the industry who I know now. I think from last 5-6 years, सब लोग इतने conscious हो गए fitness and
Yeah,
they
yeah,
want a good body. For you, it's been a lifestyle. So that is
yeah.
what I want people to understand. Fitness is not something to show off.
Yeah,
It
it's not a
should,
show off, and it takes a lot of effort to even build how you look. पहले हर एक को ये नहीं होता था कि आपको सिक्स एब्स ही करने हैं. You just had to be fit, is what people used to believe.
right.
Even now, it takes a lot to build those abs and look very skinny, and मतलब बिल्कुल वैसा टोन चाहिए.
Yeah,
But हर एक के चेहरे पे भी एक अलग, you know, शायद
correct.
if I start doing very hard look of my body.
This is not something to show off.
Yeah,
It
it's not a
should,
show off, and it takes a lot of effort to even build how you look. पहले हर एक को ये नहीं होता था कि आपको सिक्स एब्स ही करने हैं. You just had to be fit, is what people used to believe.
right.
Even now, it takes a lot to build those abs and look very skinny, and मतलब बिल्कुल वैसा टोन चाहिए.
Yeah,
But हर एक के चेहरे पे भी एक अलग, शायद
correct.
if I start doing very hard look of my body, I don't think it might just suit my face. I might just look, मतलब कुछ अजीब भी लग सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
You never know. So it is not for everyone, but yes, one has to look fit. You can't look plump. Like I have swelling problems that happen. अगर मैं रात को चावल खा लूँ तो अगले दिन तो मैं ऐसे फूल जाता हूँ बलून की तरह. So everybody's body reacts differently also to
Definitely.
situations.
So I think that 90% of us Indians, because we're all rice lovers, so morning up उठ जाओ biryani खा लो, रात में we Hyderabadis are like crazy biryani lovers.
Yeah.
आप कभी भी बीच रात में भी उठा के आप दे दो खा लेंगे. So we are like that. And there's a small exercise that I tell people to do when you eat too much and your face puffs up in the morning. So either make a fish face.
Okay.
This helps. So reduce the puffiness. I think whenever you have your shoots and all next day morning, आपको उठ के जाना पड़ेगा. So I think you should do a couple of these facial.
Yeah, so there are some exercises that even I was taught during my acting school when I had done it, and there were a lot of facial exercises that we used to do. So I tried that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but my puffiness is such that उसको कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है, मतलब बहुत deep वाला puffiness है. So until and unless I don't go and kind of really work out, then once I get up,
Then
जब
normal.
drain नहीं हो जाता ना, so that water retention and everything doesn't come out through the sweat, it kind of just stays. So I also try and I do all these things, but it's just a couple of things that you have to keep on towards.
What if you were not into acting and all? What would you have been?
So I've done fashion actually, so I'm a fashion designer as well by profession.
Oh.
Yeah. So बहुत सारी चीजें की हैं मैंने, तो पता नहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो पिकअप कर ही लेता. So yeah, fashion designing was a primary profession. Then acting happened, so that became primary. Then this became secondary. तो ऐसा चला. फिर yeah. So but I keep doing something now. So I just started another thing, another brand association that we have. So let's see, that is related to fashion and t-shirts and stuff. So let's see.
All the best to you for that.
Thank you.
And thank you so much once again. I'm going to end this live. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.
Yes, I did, and thank you for the amazing chat and the session that I did. And I really sweated. My towel is all wet now. So keep doing the good work, and God bless you.
Thank you.
And I'll see you then.
Thank you. Bye. Have a lovely day. And in case you get stuck somewhere, do these exercises every day to build some strength.
Sure. Otherwise, I'll call you. That's easy. Yeah.
Bye, Karan. Have a good day. Bye-bye. And that was Karan, guys. It was glad to have him. And yeah, this was his first ever session doing Animal Flow. I really enjoyed doing it. And, he's an amazing person. And like he said, keep yourself busy. You can just do different things to keep yourself busy during this lockdown. And each one of us are stuck in the house. I know a couple of them are getting depressed. Please don't get depressed. Eat good food, build your immunity, and work out bhi kar lena. It's a must these days, which will keep you mentally also very active. All right. And guys, if you have any kind of questions, do let me know. The messages flowing in, and I know I said I'll definitely say hi from you guys to him. And all right, thank you so much, everybody. Okay, somebody says it's difficult, really tough. Vandana says it's really tough. Neetu says it's difficult to balance. Yes, initially, if you do it for the first time, it is really difficult, but there is always a modification for any kind of exercise. I will also keep showing, I keep doing live every day, keep showing different exercises, and the easiest version of that particular exercise, आप लोग follow कर सकते हो, and then I can also show you that these are one of the best exercises to work on your complete body. Weight loss करना है, strength build करना है, any kind of thing. The exercises that we did today is really great. So I think you guys should try it too. All right. And all right, guys, I'm going to sign off, and I will see you guys.